guys, it's Channing here. I have this Shea Moisture here that I'm going to be trying out today. We'll be doing a wash and go. They said this is a jojoba oil and Ucuuba gel. I don't know how to pronounce that. Braid up conditioning gel with carrot seed oil, moisturize and deep condition, cornrows, box braids, weaves, and extensions. And this is for protective styles. I haven't tried any Shea Moisture products in quite some time, so I figured we would give it a try. It was on sale at Target. I got it for $8.38. So yeah, I'm just like, why not? So we'll be doing a wash and go. I was actually thinking about doing a twist out because I'm trying to get my hair together so I can show you guys these new clip-ins that I just got. They're absolutely beautiful. Hopefully I can get that video up this week as well, but yeah, we're gonna see how it goes. So because I pay attention to what you guys say to me, I posted this on Instagram into my stories, and I got quite a few messages telling me that the product sucked or that it left like white residue and, you know, different things like that. So I felt like it would probably be best that I not use any other products with it to try and cut down on that. Hopefully, you know, I won't experience anything like that. So I'm just gonna add some oil. I have my castor oil, olive oil mix here in this wild growth oil bottle. And I'm just gonna add this to my scalp. So my hair is naked. It's kind of damp. Well, it's pretty much damp. Just gonna add some oil before I add the conditioning gel. I figure, I mean, why do I need leave-in or anything if it's so conditioning? Hopefully we'll be okay since it's conditioning. And this is my first time trying this product. I have my Denman brush here. Ooh, it smells like Vicks Vapor Rub, y'all. I wonder why it smells like Vicks Vapor Rub. Look at it. Wow. It's very liquidy. Interesting. Okay. It's very watery. And it smells very strong. I don't know, y'all. This is a little too liquidy for my hair. But let's see. It doesn't seem thick enough. But I am used to my Eco Styling gel. The hair is curling though. I don't want to go overboard because I am a little heavy-handed when it comes to products. This would definitely take some getting used to because of how thin it is. Because it's so thin, it just makes me think it's not going to work. But I guess we'll just see. We'll try it out. It's the only way to know. I can't get over the fact that it smells like Vapor Rub. Vicks Vapor Rub. Like, why does it smell like that? The curls look really defined though. curls do look defined. Have you guys tried this product? If you have, comment below and let me know how your experience went. Like, how did your hair react? What were your thoughts while applying it? Because right now I'm just like, don't know. I'm really not sure what to think right now. It says it's conditioning, but I'm just like, but it feels like water. So how is it conditioning? It's so liquidy. The last time I felt a product like this, well, a gel that felt like this, was a Garnier Fructis, and it wasn't for my hair type. My hair frizzed up like into an afro. So it's weird because this one is actually giving me curls, but it feels so much like that product. So I'm really not sure what the results will be. And it says that it has this butter in it. Butter and jojoba oil? Don't know. We'll just see. It kind of has I have an oily feel to my fingers. It has quite a bit of slip. Well, I can say it's not heavy. And obviously, you know, it's moving right now. Okay, Shea Moisture. It would be nice to have some new products, so I do hope I like it. Looking for some new staples. You guys can recommend some products below as well, okay? For my hair type, those of you that have a hair type close to mine, what are y'all using right now? Y'all know I swear by my Eco Styling Gel. My cousin was asking me, you know, she's like, what products are you using at the moment? And I'm like, I really just do the lock method, and then I just apply some Eco Styling Gel. In all honesty, I have my design essentials that I use, you know, every now and then, but for the most part, it's very simple with me. Just make sure I shampoo it. I have my set products that I use for that, which all have to do with hair growth. But for everyday styling, it's very simple right now because I'm really not sure what I like. This isn't bad at all, y'all. Someone told me that Eco Styling Gels, Eco Styling Gels. Someone told me that Shea Moisture's gels weren't any good. Is the secret to apply it to naked hair? Or is it just my hair type, or what is it? Or is it just a simple fact that it's not dry yet? I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm like, so far, I likes it. Everything's curling up nicely. I don't think I would have an issue with slicking my hair down either. Looks like shrinkage would probably be the only thing that I would complain about. but I could stretch it. Oh no, y'all. That section right there just scared me quite a bit. Okay. So this is it. Make sure I got those edges sleek. Looks really pretty under there, y'all. Like, look at those curls. Everything is so defined. I hope it doesn't dry like crunchy, crunchy, crunchy. But yeah, this is pretty much it, y'all. This is how it looks right now. We're gonna give it some time to dry. And see how it turns out. Okay. I will be back to show you guys the results, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so here it goes. I have a head full of white flakes. And my hair kind of looks white as well. I'm thinking maybe I used too much product, considering I didn't have any other product in order for there to be, you know, any type of weird stuff going on as far as mixtures were concerned. So I'm not sure. Look at it. What are your thoughts? I know that I can be very heavy-handed, so maybe I put too much of the gel on it. But this is the way that it looks. It's nothing that I can't work with though. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some warm water, put some warm water in my spray bottle. And I'm just gonna add this to my hair and just kind of work it through and hope that we can get rid of most of those flakes. In most cases, warm water works, or hot water, or oil. But I've already added oil, so I'm like, I really don't want to add even more oil. Just gonna kind of work this through. But I will say that I was impressed with the curls, even though my hair did shrink up to absolutely nothing. I'm very impressed with the definition, the curl definition. I don't think I had one strand of hair that did not curl. And the only issue is pretty much just figuring out the correct amount to apply to the hair during the process, to avoid all of the white flakes. So if I can't quite figure that out, then I'll use it to slick my hair back in ponytails and stuff. 'Cause look at that. Can you see that? The water doesn't seem to be doing much of anything besides making it afro out. And I have a head full of it, y'all. See that? I don't know, guys. It might be too much to continue Might just have to start over. The hair was crunchy, but it wasn't too bad. You know, I think that I could work with it if I didn't have so many white flakes, and just the simple fact that my hair just looks white, and I have the stuff on my hands as well. So I'm guessing I just used too much product. And I'm just gonna have to wash this out, or maybe wash some of it out. So because I feel like I'm probably gonna end up starting over, I'll just go ahead and say that this was a fail. I'm sorry, I tried. I did try using it. I thought I was applying it the correct way, you know. Maybe we'll have a better look next time. But alright, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and definitely try the product, or, you know, tell me what you think I should do in the comments below. If you have any suggestions, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Guys, give me your honest opinion. Do you think that I applied it incorrectly, or do you think the product just sucks? Let me know in the comments below.